Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Pree Dis. You don't know, I'm your host Nalda Addy, and this week we're in the area of Manor Park, St. Andrew. As usual, you don't know, we have your weekly entertainment fix as well as lifestyle, of course. So without further ado, let's kick off the show. From Yard is a new television series which details the real-life story of a Jamaican who moved to the States. We recently caught up with actors as well as crew members to get a feel of what the show will be like. Let's check it out.
Yes, I finally catching the now. You know from when me I look for you? Let me go! No matter where.
I wrote a book called Yard, Struggles of a Young Jamaican Growing Up in New York. And how that happened, why I wrote the book, was that I came to Jamaica probably about 2010 or thereabout, and just a series of stuff just happened. So I decided to keep a journal of my experience, because I hadn't been to Jamaica in a long time. And when I went back to the States, I wrote it in an exercise book. That's where I kept my journal. And then when I went back to the States, I put my journal in the suitcase. I left it in the suitcase. And then a year went by and I was going to vacation in Mexico, and I found the suitcase and I went and I opened the exercise book and I saw the journal and I said, wait a minute. I started reading it. I said, wait a minute. This could be a book, you know. So I carried my laptop with me on the plane to Mexico, and I just started writing. And somebody read it and said, yeah, man, you can publish, you can self-publish it. So I said, all right, I'm going to self-publish. My nephew, who lives in Atlanta, is a screenwriter, and he told me, he read the book and said, yo, Uncle Dave, this book is a good coming to America story. You should let me write a screenplay. And I said, nah, I don't want to do that. He said, yo, man, trust me, it would make a good screenplay. It's a good coming to America story. So I said, okay. One thing led to another. He wrote the screenplay, and he introduced me to this lady who said she could produce it and stuff like that. Maya, I want to give her, you know, some props. So we finally wrote the pilot, and the pilot is called Son to City. This is the production phase that we're in. We were in pre-production for a while. We're in production phase now. And then we're going into post, and we want to do the best thing, you know, in post. We want to do everything possible to make it the right way, the editing and what have you.
How many episodes are in the series?
8 episodes. This is the pilot, so we have 7 more.
This is not just a regular script, right? This is a script that was, you know, compiled of memories, real life memories. So it was some pressure, but I also had to find a good balance of how much do I want to stay true to his memory, but also how much do I just want to give my audience a really good experience. So I had to really kind of battle those two. Some of the things in the book that was authentic and real, I feel like could be beefed up a little bit for my audience. So finding that line of telling a true story, but also being an impactful storyteller and giving my audience an experience that they're going to remember is what my challenge was for this story. I think no matter where you're from, if you're from Jamaica, if you're from the United States, if you just live that immigrant life and you had to uproot yourself and go to a whole nother country and learn a whole new culture, I think that's what this story brings. I really wanted to do, so in this series we have flashback moments where we see Dave as a young kid, you know, in the streets of Jamaica. I wanted to paint those moments as a love letter to Jamaica. I wanted to make it feel nostalgic. I tried to make sure I use colors from the Jamaican flag and the colors that I see when I'm just in the streets and just walking around.
Okay, so when I got the role, I was really ecstatic. I never actually thought I'd get the role on hand. I was just auditioning for it because I always knew I wanted to be an actor, and I was like, oh, this is a fun opportunity. Let me just try and see if I get it. And when I got it, I was really happy. I told my closest friends and my family.
Dave is a very interesting fellow. He comes to you with a very normal approach. He's not that major hero, so you can find yourself relating to him. Right? He's lovable. He's quite serious. He's funny at times, but you'll see the humanity in him. He has this longing for home that stays with him throughout the piece, and he is just a quintessential Jamaican. He's proud, he's strong, he's brave, and he's no nonsense.
I got the part of Lisa, who is a rough and tumble girl who is on the streets on her own, and she gets run-ins with the parole officers from time to time.